Hello everyone! How are you today? I'm your teacher Jem Raymond and today may good news po ako para sa ating mga government workers, lalo na sa mga nasa serbisyo pa, including our teachers at pati na rin sa mga retirees natin. Ang video na to ay para sa inyo.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Jem Raymond Chen, Master Teacher 2 from Escalante Central Elementary School.
Ayon sa article ni Ms. Elizabeth Marcelo sa Philippine Star, ang mga government workers kasama na yung mga nagretiro na ay entitled sa iba't ibang freebies at special discounts ngayong buwan ng September 2024. Ang Civil Service Commission kasi o CSC ay nakipag-team up sa mga maraming public at private institutions para mabigyan ng discount at freebies ang 1.9 million civil servants at retirees nationwide. Ito ay bilang pagkilala sa kanilang hard work at dedication. At ito ay bahagi rin ng month-long celebration ng ika-124th Philippine Civil Service Anniversary or PCSA. Now, tingnan natin na malapitan yung article na to. Yes po, tama po yung narinig ninyo. Mula sa discount sa essential goods at services hanggang sa special promotions ng iba't ibang establishments. And this is designed specially para sa ating mga government workers. Now, para ma-avail ang discounts at special offers na to, kailangan lang ipresenta ng mga government employees ang kanilang government agency ID or Unified Multipurpose ID or UMID card sa mga partner establishments ng CSC. Pati na rin yung mga under job order at contract of service, pwede ding mag-avail ng mga special treats na to basta ipakita lang ang inyong government agency ID card. Ito po yung link kung saan makikita natin yung mga partner establishments ng CSC na nagbibigay ng special freebies at discounts for the whole month of September. Now, tingnan po natin ito. Now, ano-ano ko yung mga partner establishments ng ating Civil Service Commission na nagbibigay ng mga freebies at special discounts for the whole month of September? Ito po yung mga partner establishment ng CSC under accommodations. Sila po nagbibigay ng special treats and freebies and special discounts for the whole month of September. So, kabilang po dito yung Bayview Park Hotel in Manila, yung Astoria Boracay, kabilang din dito yung Manila Hotel, Park Inn by Radisson in Bacolod, and Hotel Lucky Chinatown. For amusement naman, nagbibigay ng special treats, kabilang sa mga nagbibigay ng special treats for the whole month of September, yung Zubik Safari, Game Room, and Dream Lab. For food naman, may special treats yung ating SM Food Court. Under finance naman po, yung ating BPI or Bank of the Philippine Island. Under health and wellness, may special treat po yung Two Hands Massage and Wellness. Under retail po, yung SM Store at yung Trax Records Manila. Under services and travel, sila po yung nagbibigay ng special treats for the whole month of September for our government workers. For government services, kabilang po sa nagbibigay ng special treat for the whole month of September yung MRT3 at saka LRT2. At ito naman yung mga CSC accredited L&D institutions. Now, kabilang sa mga regions na nagbibigay ng mga special treats ay yung Region 1, 3, 5, 6, and Caraga. Nasa Facebook page po ng Civil Service ang mga specific establishments ng mga regions na to ang kanilang nagsisilbing partner at nagbibigay ng special treats for the whole month of September. Now, let's take a look of it. Now, actually, same news po ito na makikita sa post ng Civil Service Commission sa kanilang Facebook page. At ito nga yung official announcement nila about this good news for our government workers. Ito po yung official announcement released by Civil Service na makikita sa kanilang Facebook page. Ito po yung mga partner establishment ng Civil Service Commission sa City Government of Tanawan and Municipal Government San Nicolas, Batangas. Ito naman yung mga partner establishment ng CSC sa Local Government Unit of Alfonso, Cavite. Still in LGU, Alfonso, Cavite. Ito naman po yung mga partner establishment ng CSC sa City Government of Bacoor, Cavite sa Region 4A or Calabar Zone. And ito po yung mga freebies at saka yung mga pa-discount from Hotel Lucky Chinatown. Ito naman po yung mga partner establishments from City Government of Trece Martires at sa Municipal Government of Amadeo, Cavite. Ito naman yung LGU ng Alfonso, Cavite. Here's more establishments from Alfonso, Cavite. At ito naman yung mga partner establishment ng Civil Service Commission from Region 6. Now, just visit lang po sa Facebook page ng Civil Service Commission para sa mga full list of their partner establishments na nagbibigay ng freebies at saka special discounts for the whole month of September for our government workers and even our retirees. Na kung nakatulong po yung balitang ito at yung video na to para sa inyo, don't forget to hit the like button at pakishare na lang po sa video na to sa ating mga kapwa government workers. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates and good news po na mahalaga para sa ating lahat. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, keep safe everyone!